right, we're sailing into Charleston, South Carolina today. Do I have a video planned here? You gotta see this. We're heading basically right across from where the ship parks. So welcome back to the channel for one of the ultimate tours in Charleston, South Carolina. You got to do the carriage ride through downtown. All right, now remember, this is in my Viator store. That's how I book all my tours because of their cancellation policy. Anson Street, that's where this one takes off. Old South Carriage Company. It's beautiful inside.
You probably are getting some.
All right, this is Old South. This is the one we're going to take. This is where you get checked in. They take care of these horses very well. One thing that's really cool is when you go to get on your carriage and you get to see the stables that these horses stay in, you know they are taken care of. They're just beautifully clean. This is how you board your carriage. You don't have to climb up. They got ramps and stuff to make it easy. They're loading another one up here. So as we take this carriage ride, you can see these carriages hold like 15 people. These horses there's no hills these horses are going up. It's just a leisurely stroll for them. And they are not working hard to pull these trailers. So make sure you're watching our top 10 things to do in Charleston, because these are on that list you do not want to miss.
I'm not gonna lie, Winston's been bad mouthing all the other horses in the barn, so like Brian's had enough of that shenanigans. Anybody's first time to the city.
That's the competition. Here they are. Meet Brian and Emerson. Brian is the horse. Emerson is the guide. He is one of the best guides. I hope you get him if you come and do this tour. Very knowledgeable of anything Charleston related. And you'll hear Emerson's witty humor as we go through this tour. But this little booth right here, actually, you've got to check in your horse with your guide, and they tell you which way to go. So, I mean, it's like a bingo card. This determines where you go. So each tour could kind of be different. Now, one thing Emerson was saying at the very end of this tour, he gives you a website to go to vote for your #1 horse. Make sure you're voting for the horse, because these horses get the Employee of the Month award. I'm sure Emerson gets his Employee of the Month awards just because of his outstanding knowledge of this city. It's kind of like riding the back of a school bus. And this guy, he's explaining everything about downtown Charleston. That's where this carriage ride will go. There's one of my favorite cookie spots right there. Always bake your best. Look at these little pies. You have free samples, but their cookies are miniature and they're fabulous. She's eating one of them cookies. There's Henry's Seafood. They got a rooftop deck.
Every other hair that horse has is going to be a white hair, and that horse is like Richard Park.
Spanish moss trees here.
Like American lime oak trees or Berkshire shade here. Fluffy stuff hanging out here.
There's a lot of history on this tour, and make sure you're checking out the buildings. And you'll learn about these Belgian and Percheron draft horses throughout your trip.
That's a good sign.
This is the oldest operating synagogue.
Very regular as well.
So you're going 30 blocks one direction, and you're coming back totally from a new direction. So you're getting to see multiple parts of this town and all there is to see and do. Just look at Brian. He's doing a fantastic job in keeping on the right side of the road and making the turns when he needs to. These reviews speak for themselves. It is one of the most highly rated tour, no matter what company you go through, to get a carriage ride through Charleston. One thing Emerson, he had kind of explained everything that Brian needs to do these tours. What health requirements are needed. You're going to learn about the horses as well on this carriage ride.
I know, chunk of trees, right? For a horse around fish. Oh my God. House measures in at 13,000 square feet. Now, be ported off to a reputable suitor, have grandkids, come back, raise the next generation of their family underneath one roof. Typically a good indication that what was a single family residence, no matter how large, has been cut up by level or floor over time. Now be things like condominiums and rentals over the past.
And when Brian's not horsing around, he's very knowledgeable. He knows these streets like the back of his hoof. So whether you're staying in Charleston or you're taking a cruise into Charleston, literally where you meet for these horses is really close to the cruise port. It's like 2 blocks. It's right near the market. And if you've done this a few times, it doesn't matter. You don't know which route you're going to go when you get here. There's multiple carriage routes because there's many different carriage companies. And one thing you'll notice as you come to Charleston, these are some of the nicest people on earth. They will help you go out of their way to show you something, or if you just need directions to find this carriage company, just ask. They'll even walk you there. One thing is about Emerson, he was telling us about some of the stories about former residents that you'll miss if you're just doing a walking tour. So this is not only a carriage ride, it's a history tour.
Fans of the aristocracy, so he assumes that if he goes back to France, he's going to be executed as well.
Charleston is known for their churches and is referred to as the Holy City. And the nice thing about booking through Viator in our store, you can cancel your reservations within 24 hours for a full and complete refund. So if you're going to have a rainy day, change it to another day. If you're on a cruise, don't worry about it. You can cancel and get a full refund. But these carriages are covered, so you'll stay dry even in the rain. I just want to say a special thanks to Brian and Emerson for taking care of us here in Charleston. We thank Charleston for their hospitality. There is no doubt I can't wait to come back here soon. Maybe next month. And I gotta say a special thanks to the Charleston Old South Carriage Company for giving us a fantastic hour tour. It was spectacular, and there's no doubt I'll be back to do this again. I just can't wait. Brian and Emerson, I'll see you soon.
Palmetto Carriage Company works with American painted grounds too, as well as a Polo Carriage Company. You won't find any Clydesdales down here in this area of Charleston. Really, this area in South Carolina. Simply, the weather is not really traditionally done within the Gullah community in South Carolina, the Geechee community down towards the border of Georgia. Now, the art forms only pass down one generation to the next by word of mouth.
You're going to see us driving past the Charleston City Market. You don't want to miss that. When that's open, get over there, sample some of their food, their wares, and a lot of the things that they're selling here at this market. It's fantastic too. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to this channel. It helps us keep going.
Bring us all the way up to this bucket up front.
I'm gonna make it step by step. Play with the leverage, play the best I can. I'm gonna bag it and send it.
This is all their horse gear. I don't know how many horses they have that run this tour, but it's a lot.
A melody so sweet, it changed itself a stone for me until I saw what's happening inside.
That's what you want to do. That's a wrap. It's time to say goodbye for now.